So you spend all your money on your camera, your lenses, and maybe, just maybe, some lights because you're some kind of wise wizard and know exactly what matters most. But now the microphone, if any, you plan on using for recording your audio costs less than a Happy Meal. If that's you, relax, you didn't mess up. Actually, most beginners don't have an audio gear problem, they have an audio knowledge problem. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get surprisingly good sound from a $30-ish USB microphone, what mistakes instantly make budget audio sound cheap, and how to know exactly when upgrading your mic actually makes sense. So don't waste any money chasing gear, instead work on improving your audio with what you already have. And before you spend a single dollar on upgrades, here are 3 things you need to fix first, because trust me, these matter most than the microphone itself. For this video, and just to make an example, I'm using a super budget-friendly USB microphone. Specifically, it's the Tonor TC777. Just to be clear, I'm not sponsored, this happens to be the one that I have. It's cheap, it's simple, and it's exactly the kind of microphone a lot of beginners like you and me start with. And that's perfect because everything I'm about to show you applies to any budget USB mic or actually any microphone, good and not so good ones. For fix number 1, it's all about the mic placement. Where you put the microphone matters more than how much it actually costs. Most beginners do this. They place the microphone too far away, turn up the volume, and accidentally record the room instead of their voice.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is the Tonor TC777, recording at about 20 inches away from the microphone with the gain set up at 90%. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is the audio test.
Now listen to the same microphone placed about 4 to 6 inches from my mouth, slightly off to the side, not directly in front. It's the same microphone and it makes a huge difference.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is the Tonor TC777, recording at about 4 to 6 inches away from the microphone. This is how it sounds when you get close to the microphone. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is the Tonor TC777.
Getting the mic closer to you lets you lower the gain, which means more voice and less room noise. If your room isn't treated, and most beginner rooms aren't, this is the easiest win you'll ever get. Get closer to the mic. For fix number 2 is how you talk to the mic and your levels. Budget microphones don't forgive bad technique. If you talk straight into the mic like this,
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is the Tonor TC777, recording way too close to the capsule. We're hearing a little bit more deep voice, and also the pops and the sound of the voice and the flaws are more noticeable. This is the TC777 without the proper technique.
You will get pop, harsh sounds, and distortion. Instead, angle the mic just a little. Use the pop filter included or a foam cover and speak naturally.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is the Tonor TC777, talking close to the microphone but not directly to the capsule. We're taking advantage of the pop filter so we can reduce these kind of noises. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is the Tonor TC777, recording with proper technique and proper audio levels.
You know you don't need to shout and you don't need to whisper. Just talk like you're explaining something to a friend. Check your input level. You want strong, but not peaking or clipping. The actual recommended recording level is -12 to -15 dB, so I aim for those. If it sounds harsh, move it back slightly. If it sounds thin, move it closer. Let the distance do the work, not the volume. And remember, before you bump up the mic gain, make sure you've actually tried either fix 1 or fix 2. For fix number 3 is your room. And stop. You don't need acoustic panels, you don't need a studio. Yes, I was serious about you don't need to spend a single dollar just yet. You just need to stop your room from fighting your voice. Hard surfaces bounce sound. Background noise gets picked up fast, especially when cheap mics and when you accidentally bumped up the gain too much. Now, soft surfaces behind or around you, fans turn off, windows close, if possible, anything can help improve your room acoustics. Even something as simple as recording near curtains, a couch, or clothes inside a closet. These can dramatically clean up your sound.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, this is the Tonor TC777, We are getting better audio just by getting closer to soft surfaces that reduce the amount of bouncing noise and also isolates the capture so background noise doesn't get picked up that easily. 1 2 3 1 2 3, this is the Tonor TC777 with some room acoustics improvements.
Again, we're talking about the same mic, just getting a better result. Now let's put it all together. This is how most beginners sound with a budget microphone.
1 2 3 1 2 3, this is the Tonor TC77 without the proper recording techniques.
And this is the same microphone after fixing placement, levels, and the room.
1 2 3 1 2 3, this is the Tonor TC777 with all the techniques applies. Good levels, good mic placement, and also some room treatment.
That's the difference knowledge makes. So when should you actually upgrade your mic? Well, only after these three things at least are solid. If your mic placement is good, your levels are clean, and your room is kinda under control, I'm not saying you should first set up a studio environment, then a better microphone will make sense. Until then, upgrading early just makes the same problems louder, and you'll probably end up more stressed about this because all the money you spend on the mic and not getting actually better results. So my advice is to spend your money smarter, not faster. If this helps you, try these 3 fixes today and listen back and forth to your own before and after. If you want a simple checklist you can use every time you record, check the description down below. I leave a link to a print-ready PDF checklist. And remember, even cheap microphones can sound intentional when you know how to use it. That's it for today. In the next video I'm going to show you how to edit properly your sound so you get even better results. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!